Hey folks, Rick here. Okay, so get out there is my topic today. Get out there, meaning go out and see people. Who do you go see? Well, in today's market, inventory is tight. All right, I think it's going to loosen up a little bit, but you have the opportunity right now to get ahead of that and have a complete pipeline and be talking to people. If you're with Berkshire Hathaway, we have the virtual agent center. Set them up on the newsletter, set them up on a market report, set them up on a neighborhood report. There's all different types of stuff you can set them up on so they're getting email from you, you're talking to them. But the initial contact, like if you're working a farm, okay, this time don't mail it, go visit them. Drop it off, knock on the door, talk to them. If you're working for sale by owners, stop calling them, go see them, knock on the door. Old expireds, my personal favorite. There's a whole bunch of properties last year that didn't relist. Okay, probably waiting to see what happens. Get out there and see them. People complain to me all the time, no one answers the phone. First off, I don't believe that. You just dial more. It just takes more dials to get somebody on the phone. But that being said, you can always go out and see them. And matter of fact, stop calling them. Just go see them. Go knock on their doors. Find out what's going on. We have a great brand here at Berkshire Hathaway. That's an unbelievable tool. Your voice and showing up does something totally different to your customers or potential customers and clients than the phone or texting. Go see them.